Choosing the best Pixel 6 case can be hard. There are so many options, which one is right for me? The first thing to consider is what you're looking to use your phone case for. Is it for work or just a personal phone? If you're using it for work, then you may want to choose a case that offers more protection. If you're using it in your personal life, then you may want a more stylish and colorful option. If you're looking for protection from drops and bumps, then our opinion cases are usually the best option. They offer great protection without adding too much bulk to the phone. For those who don't need as much protection and just want something stylish, then slim cases are the way to go. So today's video we're breaking down 5 best Google Pixel 6 case you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Caseyology. Are you tired of your phone being beaten up and scratched? We know you're tired of your phone looking like it's been through hell. Our Parallax protective cases help put an end to that. You need the right protection for your phone. With our cases, you get peace of mind knowing your phone is safe from daily wear and tear. Our sleek design, impact resistance, and durability will be the last case you ever need. The Caseyology Parallax protective case is a high-quality, protective case with a 3D Hexa cube design, a comfortable grip, and a clear back panel, all for your magic device. Our design team works hard to make sure that your phone looks as good as the day you bought it with our stunning parallax pattern. Productivity in one hand and protection in the other. 3D Hexa cube design offers enhanced ergonomics as well as built-in dia grip on each side for a secure grip. Raised bezels around screen and camera ring offers additional protection on both sides. Stylish two-tone colors for women and men designed to complement your Pixel 6. Number 4. Google. You're about to make the most important decision of your day. We can't help you find your way, nor do we know what color you're looking to wear, but we can offer you the latest protection with this Google Pixel 6 case phone case. Its slim design and dual-layer shock-absorbing protection will keep your phone safe from the unpredictable world around you. Google Pixel 6 case is the perfect companion for your phone. Forged from high-quality and beautiful materials, this phone case will not scratch or fade and will protect your phone against scratches, bumps, and other damage. Our case is slim and sleek. The 2 layers of protection make our phone cases extremely protective. The inner TPU layer absorbs impact, whilst the outer bumper protects your device from scratches and scrapes in a stylish way. It has precise cutouts for all ports, buttons, and camera for easy access and a non-slip grip that offers security and comfort in your hand. Phone case comes in 3 great colors, so you can find the one that fits your style. Choose from stormy sky, light rain, and cotton candy. Thoughtfully crafted with over 30% recycled materials, this case is a mindful addition to your phone. Number 3. Carvite. You love your new Google Pixel 6 case 2022 and want to show it off. You also love nature and want to help preserve the environment. Carvite is the perfect way to do both at the same time. Every purchase of a Carvite wood case directly preserves up to 20 square feet of forest through reforestation campaigns in countries like Brazil, Haiti, India, and more. So choose between our real wood or soft TPU. This product comes in 2 parts, a sleek and lightweight TPU case and a precision machined hardwood frame. The TPU case feels wonderful and gives your phone that extra bit of protection it needs. The hardwood frame is hand-sanded and polished to perfection to give your phone that unique and classy look it deserves. One of the best things about the Carvite wood case is that you can personalize it with a laser engraving. This means you can have your initials, a phrase, or a quote on the side. You can even choose one of our thousands of designs to laser engrave on the back. We offer 3D wooden phone cases for every occasion because we believe in quality before quantity. It is featured with 3D laser engraving workmanship, which is different from printing when you select a specific pattern. It supports wireless charging. Precise cutting and enlarged port fit most cables. Easy to install and remove, easy to press all buttons, and has a responsive button cover, which will not damage or scratch the phone body. Number 2. Quamable. This phone case will make sure that your phone doesn't get scratched or damaged and has a soft finish that will give you an excellent grip for your device. Quamable TPU silicone case compatible with Google Pixel 6 case slim phone cover with soft finish. For those who like to change their phone case as often as their clothes, this case is perfect for you. The soft finish inside will keep your phone from getting scratched, and it has lots of color to choose from. Protect your Pixel with our Google Pixel 6 case. We have a variety of colors to suit your needs. Give protection to your phone with our silicone case. The cover is slim and lightweight, so you'll barely notice you're using it. It will protect your phone against scratches, drops, and other external impacts that can happen. Get this quotable silicone case and enjoy the freedom of not having to worry about your device. Each one is designed with function and style in mind to create the perfect case for your smartphone. We offer an extensive range of protective covers, from silicone back covers to flip and wallet-style cases. You're sure to find one that serves your needs. Precise cutouts on phone cover enable easy access to all buttons, ports and camera. So why you are waiting? Number 1. TECH21. The TECH21 EvoCheck Google Pixel 6 case is the smarter way to protect your phone. The EvoCheck has been rated by the US Department of Defense to drop from 16 feet and still keep your phone safe, with military-grade technology and engineered design in one. It's so durable that it comes with a lifetime warranty for any damage that may happen over time. When your phone is just as important to you as your wallet and keys, you need a phone case that can take care of it. The TECH21 EvoCheck is the one you can rely on. With 3 sets of interchangeable buttons and 16 feet multi-drop protection, it's got all the features you're looking for. Plus, this case will never peel or show wear and tear. We're not going to spoil the surprise. That'll be for you to find out. But we will say that you'll be the coolest kid on the block with this new phone case. With full touchscreen compatibility. With an innovative design and a fun color palette, your phone will be both fully protected and fashionable. An innovative formula is built into the case to keep it constantly clean. 3 sets of interchangeable buttons to mix up the color of your case.